Hey Travis, this is Bernie from Be Present Digital Marketing. My associate Elizabeth spoke to Liz today. She told you we'd be sending out this quick video. So in this quick video, we're going to go over three things that you can start doing to beat out your competition, improve your website traffic, and bring in more online customers. Now, Travis, you may be asking, why do we make this video? Well, in our research, we found that a lot of small business owners such as yourself are just too busy taking care of your customers and employees and just don't have time to learn how the internet works. Now, we feel the only thing that stops you from hiring someone is that you don't know who's an expert and who's not. So we basically put together these attack plans and give them away for free. Some people implement them on their own. Some people call us back. Whatever you guys decide is totally fine with us. If you feel like you want to chat, our number is down at the bottom of the screen. Now, the three things we're going to go over, one is going to be content, the second is going to be backlinks, and the third is going to be citations. Now, content includes any words on your web page. Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on the number of keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything that someone may type into Google looking for a particular product or service. These keywords should be placed throughout your website within the content, telling Google exactly the terms that you want to be found for on the internet. For example, if you were a plumber in Oceanside, you want to include keywords like plumber, Oceanside, leaks, flooding, etc., telling Google, who then tells the end user that you exist. So we take a look at your website here. Nice, bright, beautiful logo here. You got your phone numbers. It's great. Let's just go down to your page. You can book, I guess, for a project. You have some reviews here. Great. But like I said, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words in regards to content. And if we take a look at your page here, we can see, analyze this. You only have about 285 words on your page. If we look at your next competitor, Greg the roofer, we can see he has, his services. He has Windows. He has all his services that he does. We can scroll down a little bit. They offer financing. He's got a decent amount of content, not a whole lot of content. So let's see how many words he has on his page. He has about 332 words. And we take a look at the third competitor. We here, Cameron Roofing. They have a capture page, testimonials, a little video. Not a whole lot of content here as well. So let's take a look. They have about 560 words on their website. So like I said, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words. I believe by adding, relevant content to your website with keywords, we can easily outrank these guys, outrank these competitors. So the next thing we're going to talk about was going to talk about backlinks. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find a site linking back to another site via clickable hyperlink text. Now, these links act as an endorsement to your website, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing other businesses vouch for your business. It's literally like a popularity contest. The person with the most backlinks is going to win. But however, not every backlink is created equal, so you want to be careful about which backlinks you go out and get. You definitely want to go get relevant backlinks. You don't want to get a backlink from like Domino's Pizza or Pizza Hut, because Google knows that you guys are roofers and you're not a pizza company, so that's not a good backlink to go out and get. Now, I use a paid tool called Ahrefs to check backlinks. So if we go here, we can see this is your site here. You guys have 35 backlinks. You're getting about found for about 33 keywords, 21 organic searches every single month. If we look at your competitor, Greg the roofer, he has 891 backlinks. He's being found for 140 organic keywords on his website, and he has organic traffic of about 83 clicks every single month. And if I take a look at your third competitor, we can see that he has 224 backlinks, 432 keywords that he's being found for, and he's getting organic traffic of 139 clicks every single month. So yes, going out there and getting relevant backlinks for us to outrank these guys And basically what we can do is I typically with this tool, I can use a copycat method. So for example, I can go in here and see what keywords these guys are ranking for. If we click on there, we can get a list. Roofing Rochester, New York. Volume every single month based on Google's count. 250 words, 250 clicks every single month. They're getting about 36 of their traffic from there, and they're in the 4th position on the SERP, so they're being found in the 4th position. Vinyl siding, Rochester. Roof leak repair, Rochester, New York. These are all keywords that we need to have on your website so that we can begin to outrank these guys. Roofing contractor, Rochester, New York. Again, they're getting 7 clicks every single month. It's bringing in 150 volume every single month, and they're in the 5th position for that. And if I go back respectively and look at your page, we can see what keyword you're ranking for right now. And let's just go on there. SunSet Roofing, which is your own name, SunSet Roofing. Rochester, New York roof contractor, 10. You're in the 3rd page of Google for that one. Rochester roofing contractor, 20. You're on the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 4th or 5th page for that one, and yada yada. So we can see where we are deficient and where we need to focus more right here. Roofing contractor, Rochester, New York. It's getting 150 clicks every single month. But you guys are way down on the SERP count. You guys want to, we want to point more backlinks to these pages so we can start to outrank these guys and move you guys up into the chain. Okay. And then the third thing we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about something that's called a citation. Now, a citation is anywhere you see your name, address, and phone number showing up in a directory exactly as it appears in your Google My Business page. These links, these citations help you to rank in the map pack, which is the organic search here, which this is your map pack section. It helps you to rank in the map pack, which is extremely important for local businesses because it brings in a huge amount of revenue. I believe 40 to 45% of the people who actually search on Google, when they type in a search term, for example, roof repair Rochester, we know that these guys are paying for ads. This is an organic search, and these guys they get in here because they have more citations than anyone else. So for example, if this company has 10 citations, we need to go out and get 20 to 30 citations. Get into 20 to 30 directories, I should say. If they're in 30 to 40, we need to go out and get 50 or 60. If they're into 60 or 70, we need to go out and get into 100 directories, and yada, yada, yada. Now, the more your citations go up, your name, address, and phone number appears in more directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, and hundreds of others. Even social media account directories. The idea is that your brand is being seen, is being found on the internet, all over the internet, and Google, sees that your large presence, and the more Google sees you out there, the more they're going to trust you. Now, once Google sees your business more often than your competitors, they're likely going to rank you higher above them with these citations. And then we can also see here, again, like I said, roof repair, Rochester, New York is what I searched. And then we can come in here and we can see the map pack here. And then here are your competitors that are ranking higher organically. Craig the Roofer and Cameron's Roofing. And I would say 40 to 5% of the people click here and probably come here is probably roughly 30 to 25% of the clicks. So that's a lot of business that we're missing out on by not being in those positions. Okay, so just in recap, one, we want to get at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. We want to be backlinking. We want to be linking to other companies. We want to be linking to our local network, local HVAC guys, maybe your news center. We want to go out there and get as many links. We want to get some guest posts on writing articles on a blog. We want to do some press releases for our company. And then the last thing is citations, getting into as many directories as possible so we can outrank our competition. Again, I want to say thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this was helpful. You can do one of two things with this information. You can implement this on yourself, but keep in mind it does take time to implement. So the sooner you get started, the better the better you're going to be in a position to take advantage of this. Or you can just give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help again, help you grow, and outrank your competition. Our numbers at the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions, hope this was helpful, and have a great day. Appreciate you watching.